I'm Santina with WTI, and I want to tell you about this great platter stand from TRIPAR. I was looking for something that would help me display some of my pottery on my buffet, and this has been absolutely perfect. I love this simple but rustic style. It's kind of a dark bronze color, and it goes really well with my pottery that I have displayed here on my buffet. But it's also practical to use for other things. Sometimes if you want to switch it up, you can easily put different platters on it, or you could display artwork on it. Really anything that you want will work really nicely on this beautiful, simple design. It's lightweight, but very solid. I've never had to worry about anything falling or tipping over. Everything has stayed really well, and it looks great, it's beautiful, it was a great price, and it's been just the right product for what I needed. And that's my point of view.